Alright, you guys are asking, and I'm here to answer. I've gotten a few questions over comments and some messages of how I launch. So here's a quick video of how I launch my kayak. Alright, so once we have the straps off, gotta place them down here on my side step real quick. We bring down the kayak onto us. You know, this kayak isn't exactly too heavy, but it's not light. It's 71 pounds, 73 pounds. So I kind of just balance it on me and just horse it down to the water. Now, I wouldn't recommend you guys do this. If you guys have a kayak trolley, use that. I only do this if I can park close to the water. If I have to, I will use my kayak cart, but normally I can park close to the water. My kayak does have a skeg wheel, and I have used that in the past before. Here's a quick pro tip. If you guys want to raise your kayak seat just a tiny bit, a few inches, you could just do as I did here and shove some piping down the back end of the seat and just make sure it's covered up with some styrofoam, or I used a pool noodle here. It'll raise up your seat a few inches from the back, because these Lifetime kayaks do come a little bit slanted on the back. So this is one quick and easy tip for you guys to just DIY your seat a little bit. This is one of the few mods I've made to my kayak. If you guys are familiar with the channel, you guys know that I was out there fishing with my friend J. Will Baston, and unfortunately I lost my paddles. There were some nice Pelican paddles, really good paddles in my opinion, and these Lifetime paddles, well, they don't perform as good. They're, I guess, great beginner paddles, but man, I do not like them. We're going to be field testing the new crates today. Got a video on that coming up soon, so stay tuned, you guys. I'm pretty excited about these new crates. This is version 1 of these crates. We'll see how it goes. We gotta tie on the stand-up strap. This is an assist strap to stand up. And if you got great balance, there's no need for this. We have to make sure we put on that leash on the paddle. Last thing we want is to lose our paddle out in the water, especially if you guys don't have a floating paddle. I think this Lifetime paddle isn't floating. My Pelican one was floating. However, this Lifetime one, I'd lose it if I didn't have this leash on here. Last but not least, we gotta set up our rods here on the kayak crate. I do have a 5 rod holder set up on the kayak crate. I can add more if I want to, but I think it's a little bit of overkill already. I bring out 5 rods with me. That's more than enough. that's pretty much it, you guys. That's all there is to it. It takes me under 10 minutes to launch, fully launch. There were some minor edits to this video, but it takes me a little under 10 minutes. I'd say about 7 to 8 minutes to launch. Back out here again. Oh, water's kind of cold right now, which is exactly what we want.